Hello everyone, welcome to part 53 of Ecom series in Laravel 5.6, and in this video we are going to work on login form, okay, so that the user can able to log in to our website and can place the order. Okay, earlier on we have seen that user able to register to our e-commerce website, and now after registration, for the next time user can simply log into his account. Okay, so in part 63 we will work on user login functionality. Yeah, okay. See, okay, user who already registered to our website can log in next time when they want to place order. Okay, so register just need to do one time, and after that they can simply log into their account. Okay, so we will work on login functionality. Also, we will add jQuery validation to login form, like we added in register form earlier on. Okay, so let's start working on this. And first of all, we are going to update login underscore register dot blade.php file. Okay, first of all, we will going to update this login form. So update login form in login register blade file, and give email and password fields. Okay, that the user can enter and able to log in. Okay, so we are going to update this form. So I will open register login underscore register blade file that we have created earlier on in earlier videos. So I'm going to update this form. I'm going to update its action. I'm going to add this ID name. I'm going to update its field. See, this one is we are not going to do with the name. Okay, we will do with email address. That is fine, and along with the password. So we will also give type password, and here we can simply add password as well, and name we can give email, only name is enough, and we can give its name of password as password as well. Okay, so keep me sign in, we can disable at this time. Okay, so we can have email, password, and login field, and yeah, of course, action form ID and name is also required. Okay, so we can give login form, okay, like this, and name also we can give like login form, okay, like this. And action, we can create the action like uh, URL, okay, and then user, after that login, like this we can create. Sorry, here we can give like this user login. The action that route we will create later on, so we can give action like this. Okay, so here we check if one also required. Yeah, now it's very fine. So action, in action, we are going to send the user to user login route that we will create, and we will also create one function in UsersController, login function in UsersController later on. So right now we have created the form action, and see, method post is also required. So we will give here method post, like this. Okay, now we have everything in a form. And yes, don't forget to add CSRF field. Okay, CSRF underscore field. Yeah. So don't forget to add this field. Okay, so now we are having all the information. Okay, so uh, now we can move further. Yeah, now we can refresh here and we'll see some issue is here. CSRF field, CSRF field is going to be fine. And from here, method equal to post and is the login is might be action user login. Here is issue, yeah. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, I have added it wrongly and now it's fine. Now we can refresh again. Yeah, now it's fine. See if I can remove this auto fill data, then we can see email password is coming fine here. This is the look for our login form, login to your account, email and password. Okay, so now we have updated everything. Now in the next step, we are going to add jQuery validation. So update main.js file. Okay, for jQuery validation. Yeah. Now we will add jQuery validation to our login form. Like we have added for Mr. form earlier. So we are going to update main.js file there. We are going to update this validation. Okay, let's see. Yes, very simple. We are going to see the earlier validation. See, this is the earlier validation. We can simply copy paste this earlier validation and make it login, and then we can remove the unwanted validation. It will not take much time. Okay, login form, and here we can write validate a login form on key of and the name required, true, minimum length. This all is not required now. Okay, name is not required at all, so we can remove name and we can add it here. Top email and password. Here we can remove this one. Okay, so in email we can check just required email, this one and this one. Yeah, and password, nothing is required, only required like this. And here also we can remove name, and in password please enter your password we can move here after this one, and we can move it like this. Okay, so email, please enter your mail, please enter valid email. This one is not required. You will already do from what function we have moved. Please provide your password, that is fine, and this one we can remove. Okay, so we are left with the basic rules and messages for login form. See, we have just given email and password. Okay, and its message is root. Okay, so simply copy uh, this form validation and make changes in login form validation. I think no need to add, everything that what I have done here. Just simply you need to add the validation for email and password, and the validation message comes here. Okay, so that is the only thing. Now we can move further. Now we can create a route. Okay, for login. Now we will create a post route uh, for login in web.php like below. Okay, so now we can create a route. Okay, so we will give like route post, and here we will give user login this time. Okay, last time we have given user register, now we have given user login. It will go to user controller at the rate of then login function we will make. Okay, like this. Okay, simply like this, and we can just simply copy this save it once and in web.php. Oh, sorry, in web.php file we can uh, add this. Uh, Here we can add. Okay, so here we have added, we can add here comment as well, so that it will be clear in future for us when we want to make changes. User login forms with. Okay, that is the thing that we want to do. Now we will move to our last step. Okay, last and main step we are going to move now. Now we are going to create a login function. Okay, so login function we will create now. Okay, now we will create a login function in user controller file. Okay, where uh, we will compare user uh, email and password that user entered in login form with auth attempt, and uh, if email or if the information, if login details is valid, then user can redirect to card page, or you can even redirect the user to home page, redirect to card page. Otherwise, uh, invalid username or password message we will display. Okay, so we are going to this last step, going to do this last step in user controller function. Here we will add login function, public function login. Okay, so here we are going to start a request, and here we can enter this same thing we need to enter if dollar request is method post, because we are checking it's coming with post method. Okay, so in post method we will get all the data. Here in data dollar request all, first we will see that all the data is coming fine or not. Okay, and after that we are going to check is data okay, is coming fine or not. Okay, also we have not tested the validation is working fine or not, that also we will test now. Okay, I am going to remove both email and password, and we'll see. Yes, it's working fine. Please enter your mail, please enter your password, and in case if I will add wrong, that it will displaying please enter right password, that is working fine now. Okay, so now we will enter our email ID. Okay, and click on login. See its information is coming fine, email and password is coming fine now. Okay, so now we can use auth attempt function once again here in login as well, so that we can check that whether the username, whether the email and password is correct or not. Okay, so let's do auth attempt once again here as well. In Laravel we use auth, and auth attempts we can use now. And sorry, here in auth attempt, here we will check email. First we will check email, that email is fine or not. $data email, here email is coming, and after email we will check password as well, and password here as well. Okay, so we will give like this, and password here as well. And yeah, password as well. Give give password, data password. Okay, so like this we will give password, and after that we are just going to close this. Okay, so this one, yeah, fine, one we will close like this, and close this one as well. And after that, if it is fine, if auth attempt is working fine, then the user going to we are going to redirect the user to card page. We can also redirect to home page as well, but we are redirecting user to card page. Else, uh, if uh, if our auth attempt fails and email or password is incorrect, then we will simply redirect the user to redirect back the user with the error message. Okay, so here we can redirect back the user like slash message error, and here we can give invalid username or password like this. Okay, okay, so we can simply display this message. So now we can try. Here. We are going to refresh and see the issue here, which issue we are facing. See, we need to close one more time like this. Okay, so I'm going to refresh once again, and now it is fine. And now I will try. First, I am going to try with some dummy ID that does not exist at all. Okay, so I can give like this. Okay, and any password, and then we'll try. Click on login. See here, invalid username or password message comes. That is fine because email as well as password is incorrect. So that's why this message is coming. Even if you are typing the correct email, but the password, see here, we are having these 4 email IDs. Okay, see here we are also allowing admin to login. Okay, so and the 3 users we are also allowing to log into our user login form. And if we provide the correct username and if password is wrong, means we will add some wrong password, then also it will come back with invalid username or password error message. Okay, and if in case we are going to display the correct password like 1 2 3 4 5 6 and login, then it will come to card page that is working fine. Okay, so and logos we can again use and come back. So now it's working fine. uh, See now we can able to register one new account, any accounts. Okay, we will create one new account, like John is already there, I think. And yeah, we are already having John and Mike and Rohit, Rahul. Okay, so we can add some other name, like uh, we can add Raj. Okay, like this, and we can add Raj at the rate of gmail.com. Okay, like this, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 password we can give, and click on sign up. Okay, see now the Raj login. Now we click on logout as well. Now click on login once again. Okay, now we can give its email ID Raj at the rate of gmail.com. That email ID we have given. Now that person Raj can uh, use this email ID and click on 13456, give password, and click on login, and it works fine. So our username, our login register forms are working perfectly. Okay, so both are working perfectly now, and that's all we have done, and also validation is working fine. Okay, so now our both login register forms are working, and in next video we will do more. We will do the account page as well. Okay, like if we have added here 1 2 3 4 5 6, then here account and logout comes, and we will work on account page, in which we are going to we are going to allow user to add his information, add his address, city, state, country, and all the information, and he can also able to update his information as well. Okay, so in next step we are going to work on that. Okay, that's all for now. Have a nice day. Goodbye.